The Oppo A9K 2020 has a 6.5-inch HD plus nano water drop notch display. It also houses 4 cameras at the back. It has a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide secondary camera with 119 degrees field of view, and two 2 megapixel cameras. It has a night mode called Ultra Night Mode 2.0 for low light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera with features like AI beautification. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The Oppo A9 2020 runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and comes with 128GB built-in storage. The storage is expandable up to 256GB via a microSD card. The smartphone is available in marine green and space purple color options. It also sports a game mode called Game Boost 2.0 to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. The A9 2020 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. It has a dedicated microSD card slot. The smartphone is powered by a 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery. It can also reverse charge another device, enabling you to use the smartphone as a power bank. The box includes the handset, power adapter, Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector, and pre-applied screen protector. The A9 2020 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.